Hello guys, today we'll be reviewing something that came today in the mail. I don't think we need this is how the packaging. It's something that I ordered for like my phone business. I already started my phone business. I repair phones now, so I ordered this. This is the worst packaging. Oh, it has tape. That's why I was like, what? Okay. Okay. I think it's this that I ordered. I ordered a bunch of parts for my business. So I don't know if it's this. Okay, this is what comes inside. Let me check if it's this. Oh yeah, it is. This is something I ordered. It's for the iPhone XS Max. This is where you put the screws so that you don't mess up and you don't lose them. This is where you put them for that one, and for the iPhone 7 Plus. It comes with bigger, the holes are bigger for this one, but these are these two. Okay. Oh, okay, that was everything. And I don't know what this is for, but it came with a pick. It looks like a guitar pick. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. Okay, what else comes in here? This is the order. I ordered an iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XS Max battery adhesive. This for the iPhone XS Max. I'm gonna open another package. This is the iPhone 7 Plus eye screws management tray. This is the iPhone XS Max eye screws management tray. Okay, I'm gonna open another package that came in USPS. This is the worst ever. Like, it took the longest. I ordered this before the other thing I'm about to unbox, and it came faster. From what company? FedEx brought it faster. FedEx and UPS are the best on delivering packages the fastest. I don't know why this company ships it through USPS. It's the worst. Okay. Here you guys go. It's another. They come packaged the same with this thing. Okay, let me see what this is. This is what I ordered. I'm gonna put it in the side to tell you guys what I ordered. Okay. I ordered a bunch of parts for my phone. Let's go with the first one. Put her on the side. Okay, what is this? This is an iPhone 7 adhesive for the LCD screen. Okay. I'm gonna be repairing these phones today, so yeah. This is the iPhone XS Max Premium quality. This is the camera for the silver phone, the white one. This is another one. I ordered two because this is not premium. This is premium. See, premium. So I was like, what's the difference? And they honestly look the same to me. I'm gonna open them and then we'll show you guys. This is the adhesive for the iPhone 7 Plus. Yeah, this is the adhesive. This is the adhesive for the iPhone XS Max. This is the back adhesive supposedly for the iPhone XS Max back cover. I'm gonna try that one since mine is starting to fall out. And now these are the ones that I've been waiting for the most. This is the iPhone 7, yeah, 7 Plus. The original iPhone comes with, I think, 2,900 milliamps, and I ordered it with 3,400 milliamps. So it's gonna be way faster, my phone, because it's starting to go really slow. Since it's less than 80% that Apple recommends, so I'm gonna be changing it. Okay, yes, for the iPhone XS Max, I think this is what it comes with, the 3174 milliamps. Yeah, so I think that's what comes with the phone already. I have the iPhone right here. I'm gonna be fixing it. You guys see that it's like popping out. I'm gonna see if I can fix it. But I'm gonna fix the screen first. No, with the battery. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that one first. This is I'm gonna open these. I didn't see that in the effect. So I'm gonna be fixing them today because today is the only day I have time. Okay. Here you guys see. This is the I think the normal one. This is not the premium one. It looks. I think this is not sapphire. Yeah, that's why I got this one too, because this one supposedly is sapphire since it's premium, and it cost me way more money than the other one too. So, but honestly, yeah, I don't think you're gonna notice the difference. Well, the packaging is different. Look at the packaging at this one. Look at the packaging for this one. The premium, the not premium. They're like way different. This comes way better package than the other one. Yeah, so this is gonna be where I put the screws. Everything came in. Well, not everything. This came in last week. This, like this, and the first thing that I show you guys. I don't know why they give me this. I'm not gonna be using that one. I'll be using these, the ones that come with iFixit. You guys can see iFixit. Okay, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm almost going to 50 subscribers, and I almost have 500 views on every single video. Please go subscribe to my channel and watch every single video, and please like them. Hope you guys liked it, and I'm gonna be uploading the repair on my other channel. It's gonna be called BH Phone Repair. BH Phone Repair. I'm gonna link it in the description so that you guys can see it. And I'm gonna be buying new equipment for like YouTube channel, since this one's really flimsy, keeps moving a lot, and new microphone, new everything. Hope you guys like it, and thank you guys for watching, and bye. Guys, I'm back. I forgot to show you guys that I also got this. It was all the way in the bottom of the box. It was right here, so I couldn't see it. My box was like this, and I couldn't see it. It was like this, and I couldn't see it. So yeah, this is what I got too. This is I don't know what this is. Multi-purpose adhesive. Oh yeah, this is for the phone. Whenever you open the back, supposedly you use this to glue it. So I'm not sure if that's what you have to do, but that's what I saw that they were doing. Like they were using that to tape, it was like glue. So yeah, I'm gonna be fixing the phone today. I'm gonna post the first video on that account reviewing like everything that I got, like I told you in the last video, everything, like all the equipment, all of this equipment, like everything. I'm gonna be reviewing it in that channel, and I'm gonna be fixing the iPhone XS Max first. On Sunday, I'm gonna upload 2 videos, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. the one in the morning is gonna be on this account, and in the afternoon I'm gonna be uploading the other account, the BH phone repair. I'm gonna be uploading on that one in the afternoon. The first video is gonna be about the equipment. Then next week I'm gonna be uploading another video about like the phone, the iPhone XS Max, and then I'm gonna be uploading a video about the iPhone 7 Plus. So I hope you guys liked it.